So you have a Fitbit Inspire 1 or 2 and you're on the exercise bike, and then you go out for a bike ride and it shows all the stats, except it is not showing your speed, miles per hour, nor is it showing your distance. I'm going to get you guys up and running right now. So first thing we got to do is go to your Fitbit app on your phone. I'm using an iPhone, but it's going to be very similar to an Android phone. Okay, so go ahead and go to your Fitbit app. Okay, and now once you're here, what you want to do is just tap on your top left hand side, tap your avatar, the photo, tap on that, and now what we're going to do is, I have Inspire 2, okay, so go ahead and tap on Inspire 1 or 2, whatever you have, and then from here, we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and it says remove this Inspire 2. We're going to go ahead and remove this, okay. Now we're going to repair or resync it. Okay, so click on the avatar again, top left hand side. Then we're going to set up a device, and then you want to go ahead and choose your Inspire 1, or if you have Inspire 2, Inspire 2 is up here. This also should work with the Inspire HR as well, but we're going to go back. So mine's an Inspire 2. Let me go ahead and tap on this right here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on setup right here. Scroll all the way down, tap on accept. Now we're going to go ahead and pair. Now it says let it charge. You may or may not have to put this on the charger, okay? I think I'm good to go. I got enough battery in here. Let me just click on next, and let's see if it finds it. Give it 1 second. Oh, found it. So my code is 6966, 6966. Give it 1 second here to connect. I just felt it vibrate there. Okay, so we're synced now, and then you can just skip through all this. Finish. Okay, now, next thing is we want to make sure that the GPS is on, okay? So go to your Fitbit here. And then what we want to do is go to settings. So go to the Fitbit Inspire and then slide down, 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 down. Go to settings, down, down. There's settings. Let's tap on settings. And now let's scroll down, and you see right here, phone GPS off, on. Make sure it's on. Now next thing we need to check is to make sure our location service is always on for your Fitbit, okay? So grab your phone, and then we're going to go to settings here, and then if you have an Android phone, I think it's just under location, but for the iPhone here, we want to go ahead and keep scrolling down until you see privacy right here. Tap on privacy, and then location services, tap that right there. Make sure that this is on, and then you want to scroll down, and then you want to look for Fitbit. Okay, let's find Fitbit right here. Tap on Fitbit and make sure it is always on. You don't want to use while using the app. It has to be always, okay? And then there you go. And then really quickly, just check your Bluetooth, make sure it's on. Go to settings here. And then from the settings, we're going to tap on Bluetooth. It's on, and make sure you're connected to your Inspire 2 connected. So you can see right there. Put your watch back on, take a bike ride, and you should be good to go.